Hey everybody and welcome. In today's video we're going to be taking off the mirror off of a 2004, so anything from 2002 to 2008 Honda Jazz. The reason why we're doing this is nothing actually wrong with it, but I had a comment in my other video that I did a mirror on another Jazz, but that was the later one, asking how you do the one on the earlier Jazz. So I thought, well, I've actually got one in, I'll do the video for you. So if you guys find this helpful, please do like and subscribe, leave a comment, anything like that. I'll do whatever I can on any of the cars I've got, or if I get anyone's car coming in and you need a video on it, I'll always make a note and do that for you. So with that done, I'm going to show you how you get the mirror off to replace it. So here we have the door card, and we've got a screw up here, which is just a Phillips screw. Okay, in here, which you can just about see, there's like a little grommet that needs to come off. And there's a 10mm in there which holds on the mirror. But this is the bottom section here. This needs to come off. Yeah. That will reveal 1, 2, 3 screws. Again, Phillips. So let's crack on and get them undone. So, did you know that like 99.3% of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed to the channel? So that's why I sort of have to do a plea at the beginning, just to try and, you know, get some extra subscribers, just so it's worth doing, you know. It takes time to do all this stuff, but I just do it to try and help out. And to be honest, I work on my own as well, so instead of talking to myself like a madman, I talk to a camera. It gives me a little bit of purpose. So there we go. That's them three out. Take this one out here. Ugh. Hondas are generally quite well made. So like, they're not like a Peugeot or a Citroen or something like that, or even an Alfa Romeo. They're put together quite well to help people who come and do it. Right, so we've got them off, and you just give it a pull. Just like that, just give it a yank from the bottom, and then I've got this bit here. This is the cap. There we go, so that comes off there. So that like comes loose through from that, which then you can like feed inside the car when you do it. Alternatively, there's a little, I'll show you, you'll see it when you pull it back. There is a little blue clip which you have to push the clip back to release the bar. There's a little, and then the bar, here's the bar just clips in. So I'll show you that it's on here now. That clips in there, the bar goes on there, and then you push that round like that, okay? So that's that out of the way. And then what we do, we go up, and then we go down. So now, we don't need to take it all the way off. We're not gonna bother taking it all the way off. What we'll do is move you a little bit inwards there. So now what we've left with is these holes here, okay? And they've got the 10mm. So, we get our spanner, socket. Well, you can't use a spanner. You can get a socket on there and a ratchet or a bit or a gun, like myself. Be really careful when you take them out so you don't drop them. One there. There's one in there which I've already taken out, and then the third one just in here like this. And really careful to take out. So there we go. That's them 3 bolts out. So with that done, you should be able to remove it. But one thing you need to do, this is the most important bit from it all, is you have to release, I think it's this one here. You have to release the wires for the mirror. Let's do the mirror up. Let's do the door up. So we're going to do the window up. Doing the window up, it allows us access. To the inside. And then we've got the wire here, the big wire here. There's a little wire going down it, and then you've got these wires here, which I think, yeah, it's attached to. There's a little bit here. That's that wire there. What you want to do is you want to free that off. So inside the window, okay, this is the wire that we need for the electrics for the mirror, okay. It has to feed behind. There's a runner that goes along this side here, which the window goes up and down. So you can't put that you can't put that side of it. It has to go around the back of it. By going around the back of it, it won't chop when you put the window down. So you want to do is just feed that. And then obviously I'm holding it on the outside of the window, I don't know if you can see that. There we go, now it's coming. There we go, now it's coming out. And there we go, that is the mirror, okay? So that's how you've got to get it out. That's that clip, it's got to go round the back here, behind the runner. So imagine, so we've got the new one now. Let's put it back in again. There's the hole that the mirror's come out of. The wiring goes in there and down and round, okay? In here, like that. New mirror. So we've got that in there. As I said, we need to feed the wires around the back. So I'm gonna probably hold that with the wire. I'm just pulling down on the wire slightly, okay, to hold it in place, or you get someone else to hold it in place. Boom, ba bum. So luckily the nuts have big washers on them. Yeah, just like that. So then you can put it on, and you can get in there. There's quite a large hole here. Obviously it depends on how big your hands are, your wrists. 2. 3. You want to nip them up. 1, 2, 3. Now, as I said, make sure it goes behind. That's the most important bit. Put your little cover back on there, and then that's it really. Put this back on here, making sure, you can see that here, making sure that here is where the door popper upper goes. Make sure that goes inside, yeah, otherwise you'll lose it. Push that down like that, and then it's a little pop, 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 pop. This bit, as I said, the pipe has to go, the pole has to go into there, yeah, and then the bit pushes to the right to locate that. And you have to, when you pull it out, you have to slide it that way, and when you push it in, you have to slide it back that way, okay? So when you lift it out, there we go. Put your screws in. One little screw here. Then your 3 bigger screws for the armrest. One. 2. 3, and then we'll put the cover back over the door. Yeah, sort of feed it in the top. Whack, whack. There you go. It's got a little bit there you can poke out, and there, and these bits to clip in. Right, there we go. That is how you replace the wing mirror on a 2002 to 2008 Honda Jazz. So if you've liked the video, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.